Alright my good people, and welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. And this time we don't call your screen, we don't call your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things they go on for inside with nation Nigeria. The cocoa now be say the Lagos State House of Assembly under the leadership of Mudashiru Obasa don't come under fire from civil society organizations and concerned citizens for reportedly spending over 200 million for end of the year party. This end of the year party event, my good people, it happened for inside the assembly complex, and the event feature performances by musicians and elaborate fanfare. Now the reason why this event now don't come under fire from civil society organizations and concerned citizens na sake of say the economic conditions of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria, so e just dey worse every day by day, and the debt profile of Lagos State e just be like mountain. Even as everything be, Lagos State dey go host party of 200 million naira. No be small matter like this, my good people. This extravagant celebration e dey come at a time wey be say residents of Lagos, that is countrymen wey dey live for inside Lagos State and Nigerians nationwide, every day by day they dey receive shege pro max, coupled with the depreciation of our currency as our naira now no come get much value again compared to dollar. Critics now don dey argue say this kind spending wey Lagos State dey make, so it's very much insensitive, and this now dey show say they no dey prioritize public funds properly. According to one source now, we can tell tori people, he say this is an affront to Lagosians who are struggling to survive. While families are struggling to put food on their tables, lawmakers dey busy dey spend millions of naira. They dey live large, they dey buga, and they dey do all these levels without conscience, without considering the welfare of the masses. And normally this kind levels, it no make sense at all. And the reason why country people dey para about this matter, the reason why the controversy wey dey surround the assembly, their expenditure dey for gear 5, na because say Lagos State is not financially stable. Lagos State financial health just dey reduce, and no be lie my good people. You know say one recent audit come reveal say Lagos State incur a staggering 578 billion naira in foreign exchange losses for inside the year 2023 alone. This figure now e dey dwarf the state capital expenditure for the year, which stood at 314 billion naira. Now just imagine person wey dey make 500,000 a year but he lose 1.2 million naira for that same year. How you want to move forward? Another source come dey tell tori people say this act now, these things wey Lagos State dey do, e dey demonstrate a blatant misuse of public resources, and it's time for accountability and transparency for inside Lagos State House of Assembly. Now based on the things and things wey country people don dey find out, based on the recent revelation, e don make country people come dey call for anti-corruption agencies to go investigate, to go torchlight the Lagos State House of Assembly, their financial practices. Make e no be as if monkey dey work while bamboo dey go chop. Activists now don dey urge the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, wey be EFCC, to make dem go probe, make dem go torchlight, make dem go investigate the alleged misuse of public funds, particularly the recent 200 million naira party expenditure. And on this very particular investigation matter, the source come dey yarn dey give tori people say they dey demand a thorough audit of the Lagos State Assembly, their financial record. Public officials must be held accountable for their actions, especially when they prioritize luxury, especially when they prioritize buga lifestyle, especially now when they don't put their belle first over the welfare of the general public. Anyhow, this informate be for body, my good people. Feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. And I still get another legit intel with my table like this one I need share give the general public. The cocoa be say, as country people now they continue to the quarter with economic challenges, as dem continue now to dey battle with premium shege wey dem dey receive on a daily basis, including the recent removal of fuel subsidy. State governors are facing growing scrutiny over their lavish spending habits. State governors now they don dey torchlight their matter sake of say the way dem take dey spend money this period when everybody dey cry say they no get money, e no make sense at all. You know say despite the widespread hardship, governors across the country, they are maintaining expensive and extravagant convoys. They spend millions of naira just to upkeep fleet of high-end vehicles. They are spending millions so that they go fit carry like 5 vehicles for their convoy, and mopo plus army go come dey follow them up and down. And now reports dey ground say governors now dey don dey migrate to luxury cars like Lexus LX 570, Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and BMW X5. And the price of all these motor my good people e massive, no be small. They dey cost between 45 million and 70 million naira. And no be lie my good people, all these vehicles so dey be part of state maintained fleet o, and dey come with hefty cost for repair plus fuel and security operations. The main ten ance of dis fleet now e don become a contagious issue, as critics now dey argue say the spending is out of touch with the realities wey country people dey face, the realities wey ordinary Nigerians dey face on a daily basis. Nigeria be say they dey struggle to cope, they dey struggle with inflation, they dey struggle with rising cost of living, they dey struggle to chow the normal 3 square meal. In a period when the government now don make tough decisions to cut subsidies and reduce public spending, the extravagant nature of the convoy e don spark outrage, e don make country people dey para. Now for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria, e come back as if monkey dey walk, bamboo dey chop. Na you remove subsidy, na you implement policy wey dey choke the general public, but lawmakers, politicians, they are living buga lifestyle. They dey live large, they dey enjoy life. Many governors of states for inside this our green white green country wey be Nigeria, the kind convoy wey dey carry waka, some kind presidents for other countries never even see am before. No even talk about the convoy wey our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey take operate. Now even as all these levels dey happen, governors now don justify the expenses as necessary something for security and protocol. They don dey yarn say na normal thing, as a governor we suppose get security wey go dey cover you and all those kind of levels. But critics, they are not happy about the matter. They come dey yarn say the funds now wey governors dey use for this their protocol and security levels, the kind money wey they dey spend for their convoy and security, those funds could be better utilized to address the pressing public needs like healthcare, education and infrastructure. And no be lie my good people, if to say man wey be governor do nice things for him people, for some say the people for inside that state for love am, and that man for observe say he no need much security to take waka for inside his state. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey like give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come my good people, now you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp.